Alright guys, I am doing a Instant Pot recipe. So what I have here now, these are ribs. I don't usually buy ribs, but I'm gonna make ribs. They were on sale. Look at this. This huge thing was like 10 bucks. So and that was the only thing on sale, guys, or else I would starve. So anyways, this is what I'm going to be cooking. So I'm going to do a marinade with and a dry rub. So I got this seasoning salt that we're going to use. Got some mustard. Got a special balsamic blackberry ginger. Got some Liam Perrins. And we're going to rub that in, let it sit for a bit. Add a little bit of water, at least 1 cup, and then we're going to cook it in the Instant Pot so it'll fall off the bone. And then the key thing to note is that ribs are very fatty. You see that? So you're gonna get a lot of fat. So you might want to put in the fridge, and then you can peel the fat off later, and then that way you can eat it without as much fat. So I might do that, and then I'll be back, guys. So I'm gonna get this ready. All right, guys. As you can see, it's totally seasoned. I got the Liam Perrins. It smells awesome. Got the mustard in there. Got the special high-end seasoning salt in there, and then I got the blackberry ginger, and I actually put in a little bit of this black currant vinegar as well. So it's got a nice aroma to it. So it's all mixed in. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water, and then we're gonna put it in the Instant Pot for at least 35 minutes. Alright, I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, as you can see, I put my water in there. I'm gonna hit the button, I'm gonna close the lid here. Make sure it's locked. And I hit it on the meat stew button, which will give me about 35 minutes on high pressure. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. I'll be back, and I'll do a quick taste test when it's ready. Alright, so the ribs are all done, guys. So the smell is phenomenal. The seasoning, the vinegar in there, whew, it smells really good. So I'm gonna break off a piece here. You can see it's just falling off the bone right now. Now you can see all the grease in there too, so be careful with that. It's gonna be, you might want to put in the fridge so you can scoop out the fat after. It is so greasy, but there's some pieces right there. You do a quick taste test. So tender. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.